Are you excited?
Yes.
What are you most excited about?
I don't know. Just the sun and fun. All of it.
All of it.
Sun and Fun is a week-long aerospace expo that includes air shows involving military and general aviation aircraft, static aircraft display, hundreds of aviation vendors showcasing their products and services, and tons of events and activities. Sun and Fun occurs annually in Lakeland, Florida, and often termed as spring break for pilots. I have been to Sun and Fun multiple times. This time, for the first time, I'm taking my family with me. You can fly directly to Lakeland, the venue of Sun and Fun, but we chose to fly to Winter Haven, a few miles east of Lakeland, as we have other plans. The weather looked great, but I filed an instrument flight plan just to get extra help with traffic separation.
Looking to pick up IFR to Winter Haven.
November 3197 Mike, please shoot ground clear Gulf India Foxtrot Airport radar vectors as filed, climbing 3000. Expect 7,010 minutes after. Departure 126.97, squawk 2571.
November 671 November Golf, we need to do a high speed.
You want to see our map? Are already seeing that?
Roger, can you take 21 left of Julia or you want to go back full length?
This is the map.
I should be able to go 21 left of Julia.
Right, November 4 November Golf, pull left and hold
Yeah, you can
short.
explore all those
Runway
things,
21
okay?
left of Julia.
Ground Bonanza 3197 Mike with information Delta IFR ready to taxi.
November 3197 Mike, please shoot ground runway 21 right taxi via Alpha. Cross runway 34 and advise route complete.
21 right via Alpha, cross runway 34, advise on up complete for November 3197 Mike.
Alright, we are headed to Sun and Fun. Yay! Near Sun and Fun. Yes, Balu. Balu is going to Sun and Fun with us.
Hey.
Hello, Balu.
Bye, Balu.
Okay, Balu is ready to go to Sun and Fun. Okay, doors and windows.
FPDK ground, Challenger 6140 Golf IFR to Bedford.
Seatbelts, flaps up. They're all good. All pretty run off.
Bye, Balu.
Alright, I'm gonna be on the pilot mode for now. Alright, so let's get everything. Lights on, strobes on, nav lights on. All the lights are on.
Bonanza 3197 Mike, Peachtree Tower. Turn right heading 250, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
250, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, Bonanza 3197 Mike.
Alright, power set. Friction lock adjust. Airspeed alive. Engines in green. 65 knot. 7.
Cessna 161 Golf Tango, Peachtree Tower. Right hand turn out to the north approved, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 21 right, right turn out approved, 161 Golf Tango.
Lights out. Alright, so that's about 400 feet.
Bonanza 907 Mike, right heading 250, contact Atlanta departure, safe flight.
250, contact Atlanta 97 Mike. Atlanta approach, Bonanza 3197 Mike, just departed PDK, climbing to 3000, 250.
Bonanza 3197 Mike, Atlanta departure, I didn't climb and maintain 5000.
Ident and 5000 for 3197 Mike.
Bonanza 907 Mike, radar contact 3 miles southwest of the Peachtree Airport.
Beautiful. Buckhead.
Atlanta Center, Galaxy Tower 48, vector 13.1 across Brigham.
What a beautiful day.
11,000 with Juliet. 3008 will expect the visual 25.
Bonanza 907 Mike, turn left heading 190.
190, 97 Mike.
We're climbing to 5,000.
Thank you, I'll have your first clearance here shortly.
On our way to Sun and Fun. This is first kid Sun and Fun. Beautiful day.
Balu, a teddy bear with a camera, has been flying via general aviation aircraft between a group of my friends scattered across the US. Balu started his journey in North Carolina and eventually will end in Oshkosh, Wisconsin for the EAA Air Venture in July 2026. After my Sun and Fun trip, Balu will be handed off to another friend of mine to continue his journey throughout the US. Alright, let's get back to
I'm
flying.
gonna be flying right over Atlanta. What are you looking at now? That's our altitude. That's the ground speed.
November 907 Mike, changing my frequency 128.57.
We're that high?
2857, 97 Mike. Flight Bonanza 97 Mike on 2857.
Bonanza 907 Mike, thank you. They line altimeter 3008.
3008, 97 Mike.
There's some fuel. Fuel's been so expensive lately. Yeah, the gas prices become so high.
Like $50?
Yeah, almost.
Papa,
What?
is that how much miles per hour we're going?
That's correct, Kana.
How about yours?
It's also the same thing. What is showing is on the ground. So what I'm trying to do is save some fuel by leaning it. Leaning the mixture is what they call. So I'm trying to reduce the fuel flow, okay?
Papa's going 177 miles per hour.
Super.
See a pool.
You see a pool, okay. I see an airport with lot of airplanes.
So that's the international airport. Whenever we go long distance, we take that airport. My ground speed is 177 knots. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So you can, let me put the map on this one so that this is map already. Yeah, we do have map here. You can see we're just crossing the ATL airport. That's the big airport right there.
Why are you slowing down?
November 2 Sierra Bravo, contact approach 121.0.
Yeah, it's, sometimes it's just the winds, Kana. Alright. Alright, so we are leveling at 5,000, so we're probably gonna climb to 7,000 once we clear off the Bravo here. I will see you guys in the descent.
The ATC gave me multiple detours along the way due to traffic. In the last detour, we were supposed to fly directly over Lakeland.
Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 14490 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10.
Alright, welcome back.
above 8,000,
We are about 26
take you traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles north, Bonanza 7,500.
We were given with multiple reroutes. Gonna be flying
November
over.
9 Echo Whiskey, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles southbound, RB8,
We'll be
VFR
flying
8000.
over Lakeland.
Looking for the traffic, 9 Echo Whiskey.
Where
Rain
Sun
Rummy
Fun
Mike,
is
just gotta
happening.
maintain 2,000. Roger, 9 Echo Whiskey.
So I'm gonna go pilot only for some time, okay?
Okay.
So you can talk to Amma, but if you need me urgently, you can Appa like that. Only for urgent matters.
Blackbird 26, 0 to 719 10,000.
Super.
10,000, Blackbird 260.
That's super, awesome. Let me see. Rom is working on his Rubik's Cube skills.
November 3197 Mike, contact Tampa approach 135.5, good day.
135.5, 3197 Mike, thanks for your help. Approach Bonanza November 3197 Mike, level 7,000.
3197 Mike, approach altimeter 3012.
3012 for 97 Mike.
097 Mike, going to maintain 6,000.
6,000 for 97 Mike.
097 Mike, fly heading on 130 vector sphere descent.
6,000 and 130 for 97 Mike.
097 Mike, traffic no factor, fly heading of 160 now.
160, 97 Mike.
Approach 2016, South Summit VFR descent.
November 2197 Mike, Tampa, first is going to maintain 4,000.
4,000 for November 3197 Mike.
November 97 Mike, fly heading 180.
180, 3197 Mike.
That's how we all.
Charlie, fly to maintain VFR.
Are descending to 4,000. Yeah, I can see Sun
November
and Fun in front
97
of
Mike,
me.
fly heading 210 for traffic.
210 for 97 Mike.
I was hoping to catch some nice views. Unfortunately, ATC took me too far away from Lakeland, but I did manage to catch a glimpse of the Sun and Fun.
But you were going the wrong way. You wasted 34.55.
And of course, my son did not like the detours.
210, traffic
There's so many airplanes here because of Sun and Fun.
97 Mike, left turn direct, Winter Haven.
Direct to Winter Haven, 97 Mike.
97 Mike, let me know when you get, for 3197 Mike, advise to get Winter Haven in sight, 12 o'clock.
We believe we have the Winter Haven airport inside the 97 Mike.
97 Mike, do you want to cancel now or are you going to get?
Yeah, we can go ahead and cancel now. 97 Mike.
97 Mike, cancellation received, squawk VFR, and winter haven frequency is 119.125.
Thanks for your help. Squawk VFR, switch to Winter Haven, 97 Mike. Thank you. Bonanza 3197 Mike. We are about 7 miles to the southwest of the field. We see runway 35.
Bonanza 97 Mike, thank you. Report a 2-mile final for runway 5.
2 miles final for runway 5, 97 Mike.
There's a Bonanza about 4 miles out. Would you let me know when you get them in sight, please?
The lights are all up.
97 Mike, you're clear to land runway 5.
Clear to land runway 5, 97 Mike.
I can't wait for another 10 seconds.
97 Mike, turn left there. The terminal's off your left side. When you join the ramp, you can follow a cart into parking. Have a good day.
Turn left at Foxtrot and we'll find someone to follow. 97 Mike, thanks for your help.
We're going in the grass.
After landing, we secured a rental car and drove to Lakeland to catch the festivities. We had a great time at Sunnfun. Also, we did a few other activities. Stay tuned to part 2 of my trip back to Atlanta. I will share my thoughts on taking my family to Sunnfun. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.